Hi friends, let me show you this new car seat that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really useful. You put it in the passenger seat and you can bring your pet with you safely in this kind of hammock or seat. You can use this bag to put anything that you have to bring with you, like bags for your dogs or whatever. And you have this nice carpet to put your pets. Okay, let's try it. You see, it's great. You have this strap to get your dog safely in the seat and you are ready to go. Thank you. He wants to go also.